Hi guys, welcome or welcome back to my channel. In this video, we're going to make a bee but in zombie version. This will be the third video for the Halloween specials that I'm doing this month. In the previous videos, I made Ghost Bride and Groom and also a pumpkin witch. So if you are missing out the first two videos, I will put the link on the description box below. To make the bee, I'm going to use this color. And we are going to start with a magic ring. So we're gonna wrap the yarns around the finger. When you flip it, there will be two lines. We're going to hook under the first line and hook into the second line. Then we're gonna finish it with a chain. And that is a magic ring. Next, we're going to make single crochet. And to make a single crochet, we're gonna insert the hook into the ring, yarn over, and pull the yarn out. Yarn over again, and pull the yarn through. So that is a single crochet. Since we need 6 single crochet for the first round, we're going to make 5 more. That's 6 single crochet. We're gonna pull the yarn to close the ring. And we're going to continue into the second round. And for the second round, we're going to make increase. For increase, we have to make 2 single crochet in 1 stitch. So we're gonna start with a single crochet first. We're gonna mark that first single crochet so we know where the beginning of the round is. Then still on the same stitch, we're going to make another single crochet. That is an increase, 2 single crochet in 1 stitch. Now we're gonna continue making increase until we reach the end of this round. We're gonna continue into the next round. And for round 3, we're going to make a single crochet and an increase. So we're gonna start with a single crochet. Then on the next stitch, we're going to make an increase. And that is the pattern for this round, a single crochet and an increase. We're going to repeat that pattern until we reach the end of this round. Now we're going to continue into the next round. And for round 4 and round 5, we're just going to make a single crochet for each stitch. Before finishing the last stitch for round 5, we're going to change the color of the yarn. And we're going to change it into black. Don't cut the green yarn because we're still going to use it for the next rounds. And to make sure that the black yarn is secure, I'm just going to make a double knot here. Then we are going to continue into round 6, and for this round we're just going to make a single crochet for each stitch. Before finishing the last stitch for round 6, we're going to change back into the green yarn. Don't cut the black yarn because we're still going to use it. And if you are using the safety eyes, you can insert the eyes now. I'm using 5mm plastic eyes and I'm placing it between the second and the third round. We're going to continue into round 7. And for this round, we're using the green yarn. And we're going to make a single crochet for each stitch. So before finishing the last stitch for round 7, we're going to change into the black yarn. So we are using black for the next round. And for round 8, we're just going to fill each stitch with a single crochet. We're going to change back into the green yarn. And since we are going to use the green yarn for the rest of the rounds, we can just cut the black yarn. And to make sure it is secure, I'm just going to make another double knot. Now we're going to continue into the next round. So for round 9 and round 10, we're just going to make a single crochet for each stitch. Now we're going to start making decrease. So for round 11, we're going to make a single crochet and decrease. We're going to start with a single crochet first. To make a decrease, we're going to insert the hook into the front loop of the stitch. So we're not going to insert it on both loops, but only on the front loop. Then we're also going to insert it on the front loop of the next stitch. We're going to yarn over and pull the yarn out, yarn over again, and pull the yarn through. So that is a decrease. We're going to repeat the pattern of a single crochet and a decrease until we reach the end of this round. Next, we're going to insert the stuffing. And then for the last round, which is round 12, we're just going to make decrease for the whole round. Once you are done, you can cut the yarn. And we're going to close the bottom. And to close it, we're going to insert the hook into the front loop of the stitch. Then we're going to pull the yarn through. And we are going to do the same thing for the rest of the stitches. Then you can just pull the yarn to close the hole. You can weave in the end, and we are done with the body of the bee. Now we're going to make the wings. I'm just going to use this gray color, and we are going to start with another magic ring. Then for the first round, we're going to make 6 single crochet. Pull the yarn to close the ring, and we are going to continue into the second round. And for the second round, we're going to make increase for the whole round. So that is it for the wing. You can just cut off the yarn, but we're going to leave a long tail for sewing. And we are going to make one more, so there are 2 pieces in total. Next, we're just going to sew it on the bee. So that is the first wing. You can do the same thing for the second part of the wing. Once you're done attaching the wings, we can add some details by making the cut or the plait using a red yarn. And you can make it anywhere you want. I'm just going to make one on the face. And that is it for this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye!